All right, folks, I have no idea what's going on today. I do this stuff with my phone. I just pulled that steak out. I let it rest for 10 minutes, like I said. And here's all the juice in that pan from the rosemary, shallot, and garlic. Can you see that? That's just some butter, olive oil, and the juices from that steak, which you can use for a au jus. So, let's go ahead. Yes, I like some steak sauce. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy right off the bone here. And let's see, how did we cook it? How did it turn out? All right. Well, let's see. Look at that there. Basically, it looks like a medium to medium well. So, I do a little steak sauce dip. You've got to try that. I know this is the second video the steak is finished. I don't know what happened with the phone. Pan fried steak, T-bone, in 20 minutes. That is tender. That is tender. And that's from putting that lid on. Let's go right down the middle here and see how this is cooked. Let's see how that's cooked. All right, we're medium right there. You seen that? Let me see. Yeah, baby. Medium. That's what I was saying. So, we will get the, that's the way I like it. We will get a piece of this. Man, I'm telling you folks, you can taste that rosemary's in there, the garlic, little shallot undertone. Now I do like steak sauce, but you don't have to put it on there. I'm telling you, you can taste that in behind there. Pan fried T-bone on sale, medium well, in about 20 minutes, the whole thing. All right, folks, you seen it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it turned out to two. I had to post two of them. I have no idea what's going on with this phone. Maybe it's dying on me. Anyway, if you like the recipe, let's look at it like this. You don't have to barbecue all your steaks all the time. You don't have to smoke all your meats all the time. There's other ways of doing it. But for a pan-fried steak, that's hard to beat.